Uba Vivek Sim, Superintendent of Police City, Habakrans, but Kilat Kai Kubor, Sipalang Jungkatio, Loy Two, but you plant Clayo, Jingu Joa, Harwitrik Muntaubna, for Prabji, Minmid, Kaway Kablero, pick up Kabadan your number AS, Katsan, C, Arpo Arts and Pusau, Kabrejong Abu Bakar Khan, Lasha Rong to Hakanhun Gisna Luti and Ranja, and they tang Haposh 4 minute, Bloyo Jingu Jor, Lokachin Shatu, Jonkate Kali, but you pull it Lapanlong, Yaching to it, Akalankan and Bachelor, that had to upon Mr. Rekim Shimlayo, Kamsati, I couldn't see. Uba Vivek ulai thuru bagi pulit dakajin suba bakani kali kandang don hakanu kanu kebenta jong kanong ba asilong kumta ki special sel kilapan long ikicing up ketem hak babuan kebenta jong kanong ba padai kajin mit siba ar kapal prabji ai pulit kliya ban pat ekre kali kepala sarong tu na jingki inyam susu tiu he pulit ulai thuru bagi layok sairu bakatai ka kanu nuti kali kadai kebujun keti bandong tu buon tili kali khamta mi kali bolero na kanong ba asilong bat na kiwe pat kebenta jong kejala bat lek dia pat samanipur bat sanong ba di yakini kin remote kakashari kala aibor hi pulet besar long nak benta sansni kenang banyo tokit bnia halor kini kamurnar kijungki
with the registration AS15C 2254 belonging to one Abu Bakar Khan of Barpeta was stolen from Rinja, and he submitted a complaint immediately within 10 minutes, and we had placed nakas all over the city. A case was registered on the theft, but after keeping nakas and getting information within 10 minutes, the vehicle was still not found. We from the special cell had sensed that the vehicle was still inside because all entries and exits to the city was clamped, and we felt that it was still in the city, so we devised a tactical move whereby special cell was deployed in certain strategic places for nabbing the vehicle. And last night at about 8 p.m. and the reception was made of the gang at Umyam Bridge, whereby the following persons: Gautam Tati, Prakash Purkayastha, Sunny Singh, Suresh Singh and Bimal Chanda were arrested. The stolen Bolero pickup also was recovered. It had a fake number plate ML05J8261. Two other vehicles, ML05K0621, an Alto, and one Tata Sumo tourist vehicle ML05K8797 used by the gang was also seized. Let me tell you, this gang had been involved in earlier cases. Some of the gang members were arrested in some of them, and then after that, the special cell again conducted raid on one of the fellows who is also in the racket. His name is Dhrendra Chandra Das, and altogether 6 people were arrested last night.